of the 16th Pacific Games 2019, Samoa.
Merci d'applaudir la délégation de Samoa.
Pachipachimae mo se tatuanta ano la whaipasuio Samoa I tau Global Nature Summit. Carrying the flag for Samoa is Felaina Stowers, who will be representing Samoa in weightlifting. Felaina is 19 years old, a Samoan weightlifter. She competed in the women's 90 kg event at the 2018 Commonwealth Games, winning the gold medal. 645 athletes and officials representing our beautiful Samoa.
I'm trying to catch that one.